Sorry for the glare. I know it's hopefully gonna be too hard to see these guys. They're growing, getting fat, and they're getting a little aggressive. I added 4 silver dollars. There's 4 Giant Danios. One of them is super fat and pregnant. There's my Redtail Gouramis. They're the whole reason why I had this tank set up for. And there's 2 Tinfoil Barbs. I have 3 of the Parrots, sun parrots, and there's the fire belly ciglet. And this guy's always so shy. I have to leave the room for him to come out. And it's Karen, the carrion parrot. She's fat, or he is fat. Best eater in the tank. It's awesome. Love him. And I think that's all the fish I have in this tank. But since I got so many, and these guys, there's 2 of them, are starting to grow, and one's a little picking on the other one. So I beefed up the filters. I had this tank set up like 6-7 years ago. Got divorced. I had to strip it down, and I got it going again. And up here, water. There's the pump down there. Water goes up into this, and it's all full of bio balls. And I have, you can see up there, I have 2 big, well, one big air stones in here. 2 pumps to feed air stones. I don't know if you can kind of see. It's kind of dirty, I know. But they feed, water goes in, goes through here. The air bubbles circulate everything, keep it all circulating, and it goes out. So this is really oxygenized. Come down here, gets blown out. Hopefully it gets blown so the pump ain't recirculating, just the water that comes out of here. And then on this side, and I know they're going to outgrow. I'll probably just end up taking those PVC pipes out when those guys get bigger. Here's the other pump. I don't know. Like, I got to figure out how I'm going to set it. Right now, it's just good. I have the big canister filter. Not much pressure because I don't have a real big pump on it. You know, when it hits probably just under 3s when it's time to change that filter. But no leaks. I just set it up last night, and that's a water puck. You know, it's pretty cool. It's got the timer up here, and I got it set. For waves. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'll try to see if I can set this so I could feed them. Something like that. I'll feed them real quick. You want these little piggies in action. They get a variety diet. I don't have a real set lid on this tank. I just have a net. This is to keep them from jumping out. The only fish I had ever tried to jump out was the Tinfoil Barbs, of course. And that's only when I come in here at nighttime. It freaks them out. I freak their minds. Wait for these guys. All these guys will get bigger. And if there is any problems, I got a 230 gallon that I'm going to be setting up here soon. I have my 4 10-plus-year-old parrot ciglets like these guys. They're the orange, my little balls of sun. Love them guys. They're my favorites. They are. I like these guys too, though. And then I also have a large guard and a big Jack Dempsey. But if they do fight a lot, I can always separate these two and put them in the other. It's a two. This is a 200 gallon. It's 2 by 2 by 7, and then the 230 is 30 inches tall, 2 foot wide, 6 foot long. And these plants are getting, I'm starting to realize that they never mess with that plant, but these plants are getting eaten. I don't know, the silver dollars take a little nips here and there, and so do the these guys too. I think they're getting big enough I can start throwing little pieces of the lettuce in here they can eat and tear up. Sorry for those little air bubbles. I probably should move that, just power head just a little bit over to the side. Everybody's getting big, everybody's getting healthy. Main thing is water changes. Water changes every week. Or I try to. If I don't get it, I get it the other week. Those tails are getting redder. These guys are getting bigger. Really, they all get along, man. This is actually a real peaceful tank. It's a great community tank. I love it. It's surprising, that Firebelly, I had two in here and he beat the crap out of the other one, and I bought them out of the same tank. And then when I got those polar blue parrots, or the Combat X parrots, or whatever you want to call them, they were half that size. And that Firebelly didn't even mess with them. Did not even mess with them. He just ignored them. I was so worried that I was going to have to catch that Firebelly and move them, but man, it was just like they didn't even exist. They're invisible. I loved it. Loved it. Little chunky monkeys, man. I love them. They hide in those little barrels. There's 3 of them. And there's 2 albino cosmos in there too. I don't know what type of cosmos, because hopefully they don't get the ones that get over a foot long. Man, those guys poop a lot. They're big waste makers. I got one in my other tank. Sorry for the glare again. Oh, all 3 of them are out. Look at that. Gotta come out and eat. There, you think he's gonna come back and hide. Yeah. The glare's terrible. I gotta figure something out. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. A little update. No more fish, this is it. This is the tank. I ain't gonna add any more fish until they grow out. Might have to move some around or something. Alright. Oh yeah, let me get a top view. This is the net I got. It's plexiglass holding it. I don't know if I can really see in there, see much of the fish though. But yeah, it just keeps them from jumping out. That's all it's for. And they, like I said, the Tinfoil Barbs tested it out. They hate it when I come in here at nighttime and the lights are off. They're trying to sleep and they get freaked out. But it's good. I got these dark fish in here just to keep the peace. And man, all of them are loving life right now. So, all right. Thank you and enjoy. And if anybody wonders, I got these. I got the Karen. I got those polar blue X's parrots. I got the Karen parrot and the 2 Redtails. I had to get them off of eBay. That's the only place I could find them. And they might even still be available. You just got to keep your eye on it. And I got them at a reasonable time and a reasonable price. Local pet shop. I don't really have a local pet shop anymore. They're all Petcos and PetSmarts. So if I want something nice, I have to either go up to Chicago because I live an hour south of there, or I just stay home and order them off eBay. Alright, thank you.